Sports and Ortho is a woman-owned private physical therapy practice with clinics across Chicagoland. The main purpose is to deliver hands-on quality care they feel is missing in the physical therapy world. They tell me it's quality and compassion that makes them so unique.
I've been a PT now for 30 years. So 10 years in, I was just getting so many complaints from patients going to other places saying, nobody's ever put their hands on me, nobody has spent time with me. So I kind of felt there was a big need out there for a place that would provide that kind of care for people. So I decided to open up Sports and Ortho.
Having a woman-owned business in this industry is probably very rare.
It's pretty rare, yes.
What were some of the things that you wanted to accomplish when you first opened your doors?
Just a place where people can get really good physical therapy care. I mean, you take the time to come to PT, obviously you're injured, you have pain, you want somebody to take care of you. And I just wanted a place where people come in, felt like family, and were taken care of. We pride ourselves on being very manual therapy based, which basically means that we use our hands on people. So I'm a manual therapist first and foremost, so I wanted a place where people could come and get hands-on type of physical therapy, but also receive a very aggressive and progressive exercise side of things as well. So I always like to say that we provide the best of both worlds.
Because a lot of the things I've been seeing here, it's very functional.
All functional. Yes, absolutely. We don't lay many people down. It's like, let's get up and go. A lot of us are fellowship trained, and all the rest of us are certified in what we call applied functional science, which is basically knowing the whole human body and knowing where the pain is coming from, as opposed to just focusing on one specific thing. So if you came in for your shoulder, for instance, I don't want to just look at your shoulder. I want to look at your entire body to figure out why you have the shoulder pain. Our whole purpose here is to tell you why you had that injury, not just put a Band-Aid on it. So we treat a lot of first responders, so that's a program that I've had since year one at Sports and Ortho. So we treat our police and firemen. We are very involved in all their care, their sports teams, their charities. What we pride ourselves on is that we actually have the equipment that they use. So we have our drag dummies, we've got stretchers, we've got stair chairs, we've got ladders, we've got sledgehammers. So that's one thing about Sports and Ortho that's really different, is that we make sure that we have the equipment that we need to mimic real life. We also have a mastectomy, post-mastectomy, and pre-mastectomy program, which is a program that I kind of developed on my own.
Well, to get them out of one of the darkest times of their life and back into living life, it's got to be amazing and very rewarding.
Our breast cancer patients are always telling us, if I wouldn't have found you, I don't know how my life would have been like. And the fact that we just brought them back to normal is really, really rewarding for us, and I love it. Now you don't need a doctor's referral to come to PT. You can just walk into a clinic and say, I'm injured and I want to be seen. It's really important to do your homework, because one thing that I want to point out is not all PT clinics are created equal. You really need to know where you're going and if you're going to get the care that you deserve. We're very family oriented, number one. So everybody knows your name. We always used to say that Sports and Ortho is like the Cheers of physical therapy. We are a family practice. We are family owned. My daughter and my son work at the clinic. I'll, text my patients, they'll text me.
And obviously it's worked out over these 20 years. You guys have a number of locations.
Yes, we are moving on to number 10. So we are from all the way to the south side of Chicago, all the way to Lake Forest. We pride ourselves on getting people back to their lives sooner than later.
Yeah, for more information about Sports and Ortho physical therapy and sports medicine, you can scan that QR code you see right there on your screen, or you can head to their website at sportsandortho.net to find a location near you.